Hi. In this video we will show you how to connect and power two wires devices for apartments. For this project, we'll need Akuvox R20A2, C3132, and power adapter which can be 48 volt or 24 volt. There are two ways to connect the two wire devices. Please note that each NS-2 can supply power to up to 6 devices, and the longest distance varies by the adapter's voltage and cable gauge. The first method is to connect devices in series. First, connect the R20A2 and C3132 with two wires. Then connect the C3132 to the NS-2's PLC port. Make sure the wires are secured before proceeding to the next step. To power up the system, connect the NS-2 power supply to a 48-volt power adapter. Just locate the NS-2's power ports and insert the wires into them. Then plug an Ethernet cable into the NS-2 network port. The screen and the button light up indicates the devices are powered on. The second method is to connect each device separately to the NS-2. Each NS-2 is allowed to supply power to no more than 6 devices. Plus, the longest distance between devices varies by the adapter's voltage and cable gauge. Separately wire the C3132 and R20A2 to the NS-2 PLC ports. Then plug the NS-2 power supply and an Ethernet cable to the NS-2. Thank you for watching.